Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to deregister the magic remote control from system. That means if you like to use this magic remote on another LG television, smart television system, you have to deregister it from your current system, and then you can register it at the new area. Okay, for the process now, we first step go to deregister. Okay, the deregister mode to unpair your magic remote is the home button over here and the back button over there. These two buttons we push for 5 seconds and then we are out of business. You see now I have control of the computer system or the web OS system. We now push and hold the back button and the home button for approximately 5 seconds until we see now here we are now out of business with that remote. Here you can see nothing is working anymore. Then we go to another television. There is another television in front of us. Now we go to register the magic remote again to that new system, of course. We are now facing the LG television is on, and we're facing in front, and we point into or to the LCD or OLED or QLED television, and then we push the main enter button in the center of the remote. After this, we keep pushing it to our television. We hold it into the television area, and after a couple of seconds you can see now we are registered in the system and we can use it anymore to have fun and choose what we need on the television itself. So we can easily deregister and then we register the magic remote control to another television. Okay, first step is push the home button plus the back button for 5 seconds to unregister, and then point the remote to the new television while it is on and push once the enter button, and after a couple of seconds, I think 5 seconds or something, it is registered again and you can use it anymore with the new system or with the old system as shown here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.